Welcome to another video. Today I'm gonna try and fix Samsung A11. So the issue is no display and the battery is already bloated. So let's see if it's still charging even if the battery is already bloated. Even the display is already popped out. So charge. So I felt that it vibrated, but the display is probably dead. Oh, I saw something there. It only keeps restarting. Okay, so I'll try to open it up. So I'll get the... Let's take out the SIM first. So we'll see if we can replace the display and the battery. Alright. So we'll try to open the case. We're gonna need some pry tools. Okay, we'll try to use this one first, see if we can open it up using this pry tool. Okay, was able to open it. Yes, the battery is big. Okay, the case is already broken on this side. Okay, popping it open. Alright, so here's the battery. It's loaded. I'm not sure if I poke it, I'm sure it's gonna blow up. I'll try to open it. Maybe the screw. I'm just gonna disconnect this one. This one, the screw already popped out right here. So I just need to remove this one here. Oops, something's wrong with the zoom. Alright, now that's removed. 1, 2. I'm gonna remove this thing. Oh, sorry, there's one here in the middle. I didn't see that. Okay, so 3, and then I can lift this metal piece here, this one, and then now we have access to the battery. Just here, I'm just gonna use a pry tool again, or you can use your nail if you have some nail, and then just pop it like that, and then we'll try to lift the battery from here at the bottom. There's some space here, so I'm gonna use a plastic pry tool just to lift it up like that. Yeah, as you can see, it looks like that. Okay, so I managed to remove the bloated battery, and then let's check the replacement battery here and see the difference. Okay, so this one is, yeah, definitely see this one is the normal, the right, and the bloated battery. And look at the size difference, like that. I mean, if you're curious how it looks like, just watch a YouTube video on when they poke the battery that's bloated. And then we're just gonna need to open up the screws here so we can have access on the display. So I just need to remove this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 screws to remove the speaker. Okay, I'm just gonna do that real quick. Okay, so speaker is removed, and then now we have access. I'm just gonna disconnect the fingerprint. It's optional if you want to remove it. It's this one. Okay, and then the display, and this one as well. Let's check the new display. Oh, it also has that cable. So the new display has this wire and adhesive here at the back. Okay, let's see. Just gonna slowly pull this off like that. Then here, when try to remove the display, let's check the power still. Okay, a bit crispy, but the power button is almost dead. Okay, so I'm gonna try to heat it up and then see if I can open up the display. Okay, so I have the Mitsubishi MT2000. It's yeah, a heat blower. Okay, now it's turned on. Now I'm just gonna blow in circles, and then the settings is just low. Here, low. I'm on low right now. Maybe try to heat it up, but not on the same spot, but just circle around for about 1 minute. Okay, I'm going to try first attempt to open up the display. This one is already a broken display, so it doesn't matter if I like break it altogether. You see here, there's already chips here. It's already chipped out on this side, and there's cracks here everywhere. So I'll just try open it up. Oops, that's pretty hot. See, it's already broken. Alright, so this one here, just gonna take out this cable. So this cable here that connects to the board B. Yeah, so push that. Got some adhesive there, and boom. Then I'll just put this thing back like that. And now we have removed the display. It's broken, and in comparison with the new display, here it is, the back. And yeah, this one doesn't have much adhesive, I think. It doesn't have any adhesive for this display. Anyways, we'll try to install the, which one do we need to install first? We'll install the display first. So to do that, I'm gonna remove this. Is it adhesive? No. Only has adhesive here. Display does not have any adhesive. It does have the adhesive here at the back, so it will link like that. But it needs to be glued as well here. like so. It needs to be, it's hard to position it out first. I like to check it's gonna fit. So this thing here will go here. Oh no, this thing fell out. Oh, why is it? Okay. So I'll just maybe, you can disconnect this thing here, this wire. It's like the signal, I think. Okay, so the position is going to be like that. Okay. But I'm not gonna put it in right now. I'm just gonna test things first if it's going to work. Alright. So for now, I'll put this cable here to connect to the bottom charging port, or this one is the motherboard B. Wait, it's not clicking. Okay, now that's inserted. Time to insert the display ribbon here on the top. And the other one. Okay, I heard a click sound here, but at the bottom there's no click sound. Okay, now I'll insert the new battery, this one, and see if we're gonna get display. How do we put it? Like this. And then the battery placement is over here, right here, but this one is right there. So we're gonna make a fold, so the battery will look like that. Is there adhesive? No adhesive on the battery. Okay, so we're just gonna fold this like that and insert it here. I'm gonna show this thing. So let's do that. Again, no click. When I put here, no click sound, and there just put a crease here to lock it in. Okay, now we're gonna try power it on. See if we're gonna get any display before we even glue everything up. So the power is this one. So we're just gonna hold it. Maybe use this one. Alright, so we have display now. Let me just change the battery of the camera. Okay, so now this is the testing phase. Just check. I just powered on the device. Oh, wait, hold on, bro. Okay, so we have display, brightness. Just remove adaptive brightness, whatnot. So yeah, this is the display. As you can see, it's working fine. You can go App Store or something. Alright, so now we know that the display is working. We'll check if the battery is working. We'll try to put charging. Second. Oh, okay. As you can see, it's charging. Yeah, camera able to capture that. And yeah, it fell out like that. So I'm gonna disconnect. So now I'm just gonna put everything together because we know that it's already working. So we'll just shut it down for now. Power off. Okay. So first we just need to, oh, okay, so I think the battery still had like a previous adhesive or something. Right, so this thing here, don't worry about it having scratches like that. This one is just a plastic screen protector. We can still remove that. So this one is not, so we can still just lift it out. Oh, why is it sticking already? Oh, there's a problem without having nails. It's hard to remove it. Let's remove that. And then gently push it out. I think. I can't. What? It got stuck already. I didn't put any glue yet. There we go. So gently open it up. Forgot to remove this one also. Right, so I'm just gonna put some adhesive here. Why did it stick though? Right, so we'll use a glue. Alright, so for the glue I have this D6 9000. For the tape I have adhesive tape for mobile phones, a double-sided I think, but it might get in the way. For now I'm just gonna use the glue. I'm gonna heat it up for a bit as well. Away. The reason why I'll talk later. So the objective is to put it around first. Whew. All right. Look at that mess, bro. Okay, time to put the display. Okay, so this one will go right there. I'm gonna pull out the adhesive tape here on this side. Just do that gently. Alright, that's it. Then time to insert it. Insert it gently as well. So from here, insert this two first. Make sure it fits. Just massage it gently like that. On the side, don't press it too hard. Then place it down. Check the sides. Yeah, this one is also still lift. I can still see that it's still lifting itself. Then press it on the edge. I'm putting some pressure when I'm doing it, but not too hard, just some pressure. Make sure you didn't forget this flap. Okay, I'll just put back the thing here. Okay, I managed to put back the rubber thing. This is how it looks like, because it's very weird to put it back. So yeah, that's how it looks like. Maybe I'll show you how to insert it as well, since I just figured it out. So we just remove it like that, and then fell out. Looks like this. But what you want to do is this flap here, you have to push it down like that, and then you insert it. The focus is not working. You insert it like that in the middle. So this thing is gonna hold it at the bottom like that, and there. That's how you put back the rubber thing. Hopefully you understand that. Okay, let's get back to placing everything. Let's place. Okay, put this thing, and then this wire. I'm just gonna use this to help. Okay, that's now in place. Now I'll try to put back the speaker. Okay. There's no click sound that I'm hearing, but it looks like it's already in place. Anyway, let's try to put back the screws. I'm not gonna put all the screws yet because I'm gonna do a bit of testing again. Right, so this one still has some adhesive left, but I'm gonna add a few more. There's adhesive tape here, so we're just gonna remove that. Gently peel off the blue thing like that, and then before pressing it, just plug it in first, the two of them, like that, and then just press it. It doesn't like to be creased. Anyway, that's that. Now time to put the battery. Since the battery adhesive is no longer that good, I'm gonna add another one here. So I'll just put one here. And I guess another one. Right here. It's just to keep the battery in place. Then maybe one here. Alright, now I'm just gonna peel off the thing. Okay, now I'm gonna try if it's still going to work. So apply the battery. Okay. Now the position of the battery is slightly changed. So I'm just gonna move that. Now insert the battery. And then time to power it on again. Then let's see, hold the power button. Okay, so yeah, it works, it turns on. So just let it boot up. I'll just put the screws that I didn't finish yet. Okay, the bottom one's done. Then moving to the top, don't forget to put the fingerprint. It's like that, and at the bottom looks like that. This is the one reading the finger. So insert it here. This thing. There we go. And then we're just gonna put this metal piece. I'm not sure why it's needed, but it's just to cover the things here, so that it goes below here, and you have to insert the metal piece here. Then you have to put the 3 screws. Alright, so that's done. Then we'll put back the cover. It's this one. Fortunately, a piece here already broke, so I can't do anything about that. So just gonna insert it like that. Okay, check power. Hold on. Alright, So let's check if there is sound. Other signal bars already, so that means it's working. Voila. This is what the dirt looks like. This is the screen. And this is the screen now. And the phone is working. And we'll check the charging again. There. It says, oh, it's gone. But it's charging. And it says it's fast charging. Like that. Saying SIM 2 is not provisioned. So maybe it's not reading the SIM card. But anyways, that's it for the video. I'll end this video here, and as always, thank you for watching. Cheers.